I recently spoke to an older cat who wanted to share a special message to her human, and she did so with a tarot card. Hi, my name is Akshaya Kavle. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species and have two-way conversations with them. I'm also a tarot card reader, and now I integrate both these modalities to help me connect better with nature and animals around me. So this cat was about 17, 18 years old, and the human reached out to me to understand how she's doing, health wise, and if there's anything more the human could do to make the cat feel comfortable. One of the questions was that the human wanted guidance from the cat, and the cat was more than happy to talk to me through the cards. So after the communication, I pulled up the cards, and the card that came up for the guidance for the human was the Six of Swords. Now, for a lot of people, the Six of Swords can be a very intense card because it does show a little bit of struggle, there is journeying. However, the cat's perception of this card was very different. The cat wanted to convey to the human that while the cat understands this is a difficult phase and that the cat is old and aging and there are a few health issues, the human is supporting the cat as much as possible. Like we see in the Six of Swords, there's a person with their family member and they're journeying together. The cat wanted the human to know that this journey is a journey that they're meant to take together. Yes, there'll be struggles, yes, there'll be obstacles, there'll be difficulties, and yet it is still a beautiful journey because both of them are in it together, and that is what makes it so special for the cat. So the final message for the human was not to be so stressed all the time, to relax and to remind the human that they are on this beautiful journey together, and the cat is more than happy to enjoy the presence and the companionship of the human. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. If you have had such experiences with your animals or while communicating with other people's animals, please do mention them in the comment section below. Like always, remember, if your animal is going through a behavior or a health issue, it is always important to reach out to the right professionals such as doctors and behaviorists. As communicators, we can definitely understand their perception, but we cannot replace the professional expertise of other professionals.